Hello, everyone. Welcome to this course on installation and commissioning of electromechanical equipment. I am Lu Min from Huagong Power. Today, we will study Chapter 1, Electrical Control of Automatic Punching Equipment, Structure and Principles, Mechanical Installation and Commissioning Part. In the electrical control of automatic punching equipment, the structure and principles are crucial as they determine the operational effectiveness of the equipment. The mechanical installation and commissioning part is particularly vital, with each component working in coordination to play an irreplaceable role. Next, we'll delve into the structure and principles of the mechanical installation and commissioning part by examining several key aspects. First, we need to understand the basic components of the training bench for the installation, commissioning, and control technology of electromechanical equipment. Learn and master the composition of the training bench, including the mechanical part and the electrical control part, and understand the role of each part in the electromechanical system. 1. Structure and principles. The electrical control part mainly consists of an electrical control cabinet, which includes a power control module, a stepper motor drive module, a servo motor drive module, a programmable logic controller (PLC) module, a variable frequency drive (VFD) module, and a touchscreen module. The power control module is equipped with a three-phase main power switch, power control relays, an emergency stop button, and a rotary switch. These components enable comprehensive circuit control and ensure safe operation of the entire system. The PLC module utilizes the Siemens S7-200 Smart. The VFD module employs a Mitsubishi inverter. The touchscreen module features a 7-inch, full-color Siemens display. 2. Mechanical part. 1. Training bench. The training bench features a double-layer, matte-textured iron structure with a 40mm thick cast iron plate as the tabletop. Beneath the table, there is a storage cabinet, and above the cabinet are two drawers for storing components, tools, and measuring instruments. 2. Material feeding mechanism, cross-slide table. This mechanism is primarily composed of a ball screw and nut assembly, linear guide assembly, work table, shims, bearings, bearing housings, and end caps. It is divided into two layers, both of which are controlled by servo motors to achieve reciprocating motion of the work table. Proximity switches are installed on the upper and lower work table surfaces for homing and limit protection. This setup allows for practical training in the disassembly and assembly of ball screws, linear guides, bearings, and bearing housings. Additionally, it supports precision measurement training, including parallelism between two linear guides, perpendicularity between upper and lower guides, equal height of both ends of the screw, parallelism and symmetry between the screw and guides. 3. Turret assembly. The turret assembly consists of upper and lower mold plates, with 6 stations for different molds. It is primarily composed of tapered roller bearings, locating pins for upper and lower mold plates, locating pin supports, a material ejection hole in a lower mold plate, sprockets, chains, upper mold plate, lower mold plate, drive shaft, bearing housing, mandrel, and electromagnet. A stepper motor drives the mold plate rotation through chain transmission to change the molds. It also supports practical training in the assembly and synchronization adjustment of the turret drive mechanism. 4. Molds. The molds are designed as real CNC molds capable of processing actual workpieces. They include 3 types: square hole molds, round hole molds, and oblong hole molds. 5. Mechanical punching mechanism. This mechanism mainly consists of a press bed, motor mount, gears, crankshaft, bearing shells, supports, bearings, and an unloading pulley assembly. It works in conjunction with the turret assembly and molds to achieve punching and pressing functions. It also supports practical training in the assembly process of the press mechanism. 3. Summary. Electromechanical equipment commissioning and control bench. Equipment composition. It is the central hub for operation and control, integrating various operational components and display units, which facilitates operators to perform parameter settings, equipment start-stop operations, etc. Mechanical part. Drive system. It provides power transmission and motion control for the punching action, accurately conveying power to ensure the precision of the punching position and depth. Electrical control part. Introduction to components. PLC. Programmable logic controller, which receives signals, processes logic, and controls the operation process of the equipment. Inverter. It adjusts the motor speed to achieve flexible adjustment of power output. Servo driver. It precisely controls the servo motor to ensure motion accuracy. Transformer. It performs voltage conversion to meet the power requirements of different components. Fuse box. A circuit protection device that blows in case of short circuit or overload, safeguarding the electrical system. Lastly, please complete the exercises after class. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for your attention. See you in next class.